In this video, we're going to show you how to install the Swivel end link on your Subaru Legacy located in the rear suspension. Using a thin wall 19mm socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove our lug nuts here. Our particular vehicle has a locking key on it, so we're going to go ahead and remove this. Go ahead and grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Now we have our sway bar end link connected from the knuckle up to the sway bar itself. I'm gonna go ahead and spray down the ends here. And we're gonna use a 14mm socket on our ratchet to go ahead and try and loosen these. Now the inside is spinning, so we want to go ahead and try and put a wrench on there. Using a 14mm thin wall wrench. And we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove that nut. Once we get this loose, we're going to go ahead and repeat for the top. Now on the inside, we're going to use our gear wrench, our 14mm gear wrench. I'm going to go ahead and remove that nut off of there. We should be able to go ahead and work that out. There we have it. I'm going to take our sway bar end link. I'm going to fit it into the knuckle. And then up into the sway bar. Get those nuts started. Now these nuts are a 15mm on a replacement. Let's go ahead and snug these down. Snug these down. Let's go ahead and torque these down to 32 foot-pounds. Go ahead and grab your wheel, line that up on the studs, and ideally you want to go ahead and get all of these started by hand, and then we'll come on back and snug them down. Let's go ahead and gently snug these down. I'm going to do this in a crisscross or a star pattern. You want to go ahead and torque down your lug nuts to 88 foot-pounds. Ideally, you want to do this in a crisscross or star pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.